Today on the Frugal Gardener's Garden, we're going to plant potatoes. And here's another nice size one to go next to it. Three good size ones. Welcome back to the Frugal Gardener's Garden. This is a white potato plant that has seen better days. I put in this pot temporarily, and temporarily became semi-permanent. I got busy with other things and kind of neglected it. So as you can see, it's not doing very well. You can probably see the yellow leaves. So had opportunity to move it because this was my compost bin, but been using more and more compost lately, so kind of outgrew this bin. So what I'm going to do is take these potatoes here. This is one potato basically cut into thirds, and this is sort of the orphan potato that came out of this pot that I just mentioned a moment ago. And this is some extremely cheap topsoil. This was $2.50 a bag. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to combine this topsoil with my homemade compost, and I'm probably going to put a little bit of organic fertilizer in here, and we're going to plant some potatoes. Be back in a second. Okay, I have added the soil, and I've put in the potatoes. If you're wondering why, for those of you who have not grown potatoes before, potatoes are the only thing that I know of that I grow that have to be mound. This should actually even be higher. The higher up it goes, the more you should cover it. Should leave about 6 to 8 inches open, and as it grows higher, just add more soil. That's why this is lower, this is higher. Depending upon who you talk to, some people like to leave these overnight, and so that the part that is cut develops a scab, and then you put those in. I do both ways. Today I just want to get this project done, so I'm spacing them out a couple of inches, probably 4 or 5 inches a piece, 4 or 5 inches each, and you want the actual part that's growing to be facing up. So I'll cover this with a little bit of soil and give it a little bit of water, and that'll be it. Like, this is May the 20th, I believe, so these will be harvested sometime around mid to late September, and at this point I will keep you guys updated on the progress, but I'm going to finish this off and just let you have an idea of what it looks like, again, if you have not done this before. Okay, these guys are good to go. So we have 3 newbies on the left, and the other one on the right, I took a different camera angle because of the sun. And basically this method can be used for sweet potatoes, red potatoes, white potatoes, new potatoes, fingerling potatoes, Yukon Gold. Pretty much most varieties of potatoes will grow using this method. So I will water these 2, maybe 3 times a week, depending upon the weather, depending upon the heat. And as I said, I will continue to mound them as they get taller and taller. So by the fall, we will have potatoes. I've done this several times, and for the most part, the harvest has been pretty good. I kind of missed out on the sweet potatoes this year, so I'm still looking to grab a few of those, get some sweet potato slips in.